Different Like Coco by Elizabeth Matthews. As you can see on the end papers, they have Coco Chanel quotes. On many of the slides, the picture is drawn over the gutter. They also are drawn in light colors to represent Coco's bright personality. The arrow in the picture points to the gutter. The font on the spine is the same font that Coco Chanel uses in her perfume. As you can see in this picture, there is an example of the angle that you can see Coco Chanel. You are looking at her from a downward angle. This is how many of the other pictures in the book are. The fact that sometimes you are looking down on Coco Chanel looks like you are watching this whole book from above. In this picture, some of the colors are dark, like in the dress that she's holding up. Many of Coco Chanel's clothing were in dark colors. All of the illustrations in this book were done in pen ink. The artwork in this book also reminds me of the artwork in a popular children's book, Madeline. The style of artwork throughout this book is very consistent. This page has a close-up shot in it. Coco Chanel is usually in the center of the page to illustrate that she is the center of attention in the book. This page is a great example of how the text plays into the images. The characters in this page are saying quotes. One of them on the right says, "Until now, women were beautiful and architectural, like the prow of a ship. Now they resemble undernourished telephone operators." This one was very harsh, unlike the one on the left that says she has more sense than any other woman in Europe. This is talking about the different ways people viewed the dressings of women after Coco Chanel. This page is an example of how pictures might be spread out in the book. This is creating several different scenes on 2 pages. The colors are dark here to represent Coco's clothing. In this one, the angle is far away. That is because you want many different scenes to take place. On the last page, Coco Chanel wears the same dress she wears on the front cover. This again is another example of a picture from a faraway angle. The end papers on the back of the book are very similar. They also have Coco Chanel quotes on them. One color theme of the book is black, white, and yellow. This is also on the end.